Hey guys, this is Arindam and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you this Grand Pitstop mobile holder for any bikes. This is an aluminium mobile holder with jaw grip. It's available on Amazon and their own website. You can order through Amazon or their website only. So let's start the review of this product. At first you can see here is the main unit, and you can see this Grand Pitstop logo over here. This is an aluminium plate, and on this side you can see this is 12 or 24 volt DC input, and it's 36 watt output over here. So you can quick charge your mobile by using this. So this is the wear. You can see this inline fuse as well. One extra fuse has been provided by them as well. So this is how you can mount your phone and tight it. So without this, you are getting this great quality data cable which supports all the ports like Type C, iPhone Lightning cable, and Type B as well. And also you are getting 2 tie binders, one extra fuse as I said, and this is for scooties. This is the fittings packet. So this is the mount which will mount to your handlebar. They are giving this Allen key by which you can adjust it. And this is the rubber padding. This is for thick handlebars. This extra item, you can, if this one is not fitting to your handlebar, you can use this. And this is the lock. So this is how we can mount it, and just need to tighten it. The quality of this product is great, and you can see the QC certificate, QC3. It means quick charge 3 is supported, and the USB quality over here, this is also great as you can see. And you can lock this, which makes this waterproof. Overall a great deal. You can get it on Amazon from 1500 to 1700. I'll really recommend this product to all. You can mount it to your Royal Enfield, you can mount it to any bikes, you can mount it on your scooty. It works. Thanks for watching.